Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is John, I'm from California, and today I have my good friend Emma with me.
Hi, guys. I'm Emma. I'm from New York, but I live in Seattle now. Nice to see you all.
Yeah, it's always fun when Emma comes to visit. So, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I slept really well last night. How about you?
Same. I drank too much coffee though, so now I'm super awake.
Classic John. Hey, speaking of food and drinks, I'm kind of hungry already. Do you want to go grab lunch after we film this?
Oh yes, I'm starving. Where should we go?
There's that new Italian place downtown. I heard it's really good.
Perfect. I love Italian food. Pasta, pizza. Yes, please.
Me too. But you know what? Every time I go to a restaurant, I still get a little nervous ordering in English, even though it's my first language.
Really? You?
Yeah, especially when the waiter talks really fast. I'm like, slow down, please.
Okay, so today, let's help our friends who are learning English. Let's talk about how to order food at a restaurant super slowly and clearly.
Yes, let's pretend we just walked into the Italian restaurant right now. You ready?
Ready? Ding ding! Welcome!
Okay, we sit down. Hi, table for two, please.
Of course, right this way. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, John, everything looks so good. What are you gonna get?
Let me see. I always want pizza, but maybe I should try something different today.
Same. I love pasta, but pizza is calling my name.
Okay, let's practice. The waiter is coming back. Here he comes.
Oh boy.
Hi again. Are you ready to order or do you need more time?
See? He's nice and slow. I like him already.
We're ready. Ladies first.
Okay. Excuse me? Could I please have the spaghetti carbonara?
Sure. Would you like anything to drink with that?
Yes, please. Just water for me. Thank you.
Still or sparkling?
Oh, still water, please. Thank you.
Nice. Very polite.
Thanks. Your turn.
For me, I think I'll have the margarita pizza.
Classic choice.
Yes, the margarita pizza, please. Medium size is fine. Great. Anything to drink? I'll have a Coke, please.
Ooh, Coke. Living dangerously today.
Hey, vacation calories don't count.
True.
Okay, spaghetti carbonara, margarita pizza, 1 water, 1 Coke. Anything else?
Actually, could we also have some garlic bread to share?
Yes, good idea. Of course. I'll bring it soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Whew, that wasn't so bad. See? Easy. But sometimes things go wrong. Let me tell you a funny story.
Oh no, I know one of your stories is coming.
Last month, I went to a restaurant with my brother. I wanted chicken, but I was so nervous, I said children instead of chicken.
You ordered children?
The waiter looked at me like, "Sir, this is not that kind of place."
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
So yeah, slow and clear is important.
Totally. Okay, food is coming now. Oh wow, look at this pasta.
And the pizza smells so good.
Let's practice what to say when the food arrives.
Here you go. Spaghetti carbonara for the lady and margarita pizza for you. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Yes, thank you so much.
Take into a bite, eyes wide. Oh, wow, this is so good.
Let me try. Perfect.
Hey, the garlic bread is here too.
Yes. Want to share?
Of course. Here, take a piece.
Thanks. So good.
You know, sometimes I want to ask for something extra, like more cheese?
Easy. You just say, "Excuse me, could I have some more Parmesan cheese, please?"
Excuse me, could I please have some more Parmesan cheese?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
See? Super simple.
What if something is wrong with the food?
Okay, let's say my pizza is a little cooled. Excuse me. I'm sorry, but my pizza is a little cold. Could you warm it up, please?
Or what if I don't like something?
You can say, "I'm really sorry, but this pasta tastes a little too salty for me. Could I maybe change it for something else?"
And always say, I'm sorry, even if it's not your fault. Americans love that.
Exactly. Be polite. Smile. Everything is okay.
True. I'm so full.
Me too. That was perfect.
Time to ask for the check.
In American English, we say check or bill.
Excuse me, could we have the check, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's split it 50-50.
Yes, perfect.
Do you want to leave a tip?
Of course. In America, we usually leave 15 to 20%.
I'll leave 20% because the waiter was really nice.
Same. Okay, let's pay and go. That was fun.
Yeah, and now we helped a lot of people feel more confident.
Exactly. So everyone watching, next time you go to a restaurant, just remember, speak slowly, be polite, smile, use easy words like please, thank you, excuse me.
And it's okay to make mistakes. We all do, even Em and me.
Especially John with his children order.
Hey, one time.
You can do it, guys. Practice with a friend or even talk to yourself in the mirror.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what restaurant topic do you want next.
Maybe fast food or breakfast cafe.
Yes! We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Take care. See you soon.